Okay, so we've got this animation set up. It's kind of like a ball knocking about the place. What if we wanted to stretch this out? Right now we only have 10 seconds, and so if you go, let me think if I can remember where this is, Window, where's the controller? Maybe it's under View. View, Toolbar, Controller. Then that gives me kind of like a VCR control, and you can see how quickly this animation would play. So very, very quick animation. So what if I wanted that to happen over 2 or 3 seconds rather than just a half a second, which is essentially what this is? Well, I can grab this keyframe and I can simply move it out to wherever I want it to be. So now, look what happens. Let's get that controller back. So it starts out really fast and then slows down. That's not what I want either. I want it to kind of equal over time, so I'm going to spread my keyframes out fairly evenly. Maybe bring this one back a little, rewind it, and then now I can see my animation.